Hi, I'm Valeria and she is my sister Benedetta.
And we are from Local Aromas in Rome. And today we are going to help you fall in love with the king of Roman street food. Andiamo a mangiare?
Of course, let's go eat. What are you having?
I would like the Suppli classico.
Due
Ci abbiamo
classici li
fame.
mangiamo qui e poi portiamo via cacio e pepe, carbonara e amatriciana.
Perfetto, li faccio fare subito.
Grazie.
Ok.
Ecco i vostri due classici.
Grazie.
Classici, wonderful. Let's start.
So this is the Suppli. It's the king of Roman street food. It is an oval ball of rice cooked in ragù sauce. Then it's dipped in egg, and then it's dipped in breadcrumbs, and then it's fried. And the wonderful thing is that inside there is a surprise.
Because there's a surprise from the French word surprise, because this actually dates back to the 1800s when there were French soldiers that were that they would have Suppli in on the streets, and when they opened it, they would have this wonderful surprise. So Suppli is actually a French word from surprise.
The Roman style Suppli, and it's called Suppli al telefono because, well, for all you youngers out there, back in the days, I'm making a mess here, the telephones had a cord, so this is what it is. It's actually a Suppli talking on the phone with each other, and it's delicious, and I just made a disaster out of myself.
And you can have Suppli. You have this throughout the day. It's the street food. It is absolutely the street food, and you can either have it in places that make Suppli alone, or you can also have them in places where they make pizza by the slice. And Suppli you can also have it at the restaurant
as an appetizer. Yeah.
But you only have it in Rome, so make sure you have Suppli when you come to Rome.
What we have here is the classical ones, but nowadays they have them with the typical four Roman sauces, which are carbonara, gricia, and cacio e pepe. So you might as well try them all because they're all delicious.
But we actually ordered
I know, we
carbonara,
did.
cacio e pepe. Because since
So
we're
you'll see.
here, why not eat them all?
Exactly. Calorie more, calorie less.
Look at this.
It's red, so it is
Amatriciana.
Let's see. Ooh, this you have little black pepper. This is cacio e pepe, which is another typical of the four Roman pastas, which is just pecorino cheese and pepper. Carbonara. Look at that.
Carbonara is made with eggs, guanciale, pecorino, and pepper.
Exactly. And now we're just gonna have to eat them all. Tough job.
I just want to make a point. When you come to Rome, you have to, and you cannot leave Rome without trying a Suppli.
I agree.
You start with the classic version with tomato sauce and the heart of mozzarella, and then play around with the versions of the Roman pastas. So it would be Suppli with carbonara, or Suppli with cacio e pepe, Suppli with gricia.
Yeah.
Just play around and taste them all.
But be aware, red lights, just big notice. Suppli has to be eaten on the moment. It has to be fried and eaten, has to be warm. So if you ask for a Suppli and you see them stick the Suppli in the microwave, you just say bye-bye and you leave.
No.
It's a no. Because it has to be crunchy on the outside, and then you have a bite, and then you have the mozzarella inside that just threads, and it's just magic. You agree?
Oh, totally agree.
Yeah, so with those tips, you will surely enjoy the great Suppli of Rome.
Though he was cold, he took a